Today I'm gonna load this trailer by myself. Mm, a guy in his latest 50, out here by himself loading a canoe trailer for your entertainment. I'm gonna show you the simplest way to do it. So if you're a guy like me who gets most of his exercise just pushing his luck, stay tuned. You're gonna love this one. So I, of course, don't like to lift anything above my head. That's not my MO. So the truth is, I have found a simple little solution, and I think by sharing it, you guys are gonna love it. You're gonna do the same thing. So let me know in the comments if this helps. I call it one end at a time. The secret is one end at a time. You just lift one end at a time, and this goes for your car as well.
But let's start with loading the trailer. For my method, it's important that the rack have stops on the end, similar to these. For my method, I simply lift one end at a time, slowly climbing the canoe to its location. Also, use a proper stepladder. Don't use a pedestal. You'll need a ladder anyway to get up there and secure the straps. This method may take a little longer, but it definitely makes up for it in energy spent. I load the lighter canoes up on top and then work my way down to the heavier canoes on the bottom. To remove the boats, simply reverse the process, again lowering one end at a time.
Let's take a look at how I load my car next. I'm gonna load my heaviest boat, so you guys don't say, oh, you got a little bitty boat. I'm gonna load the biggest boat by myself on top of the car. Here we go. Okay, with a big boat like this, it's not that easy, but keep it simple, silly. Still lift one end at a time and then drag the tail towards the car. Let me show you what I mean. There you have it. So I hope to dispel the myth that kayaking and canoeing is only for young people because you have to lift these heavy boats above your head. Most of the time, there's no reason to lift a boat above your head. I have done it, and I still do it with my little bitty boat up there, and maybe this one right here, a little kayak. But as far as a big canoe, people don't lift those above their head very often. And I'll tell you, there's a lot easier ways to load and even transport canoes with one person. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. We'll catch you clowns on the rebound.
Hey friends, check out this video next where I made a solar-powered canoe with no battery. You're gonna love it, but you better click it quick. I mean, you gotta click super quick, like it's almost too late. You probably missed it. Click it.